Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide the under-display camera completely on your RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. So, the camera on your RedMagic is usually completely hidden behind a display of your smartphone, but you can change it by adjusting some display settings on your smartphone. And to do that, first of all, of course, we're gonna have to go to Settings, then open Display Settings and scroll down to Tiny Screen Display Adjustment menu, then open it and then select the preferable brightness mode right here at the top, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is UDC Areas Brightness. So the higher this value is, the less visible our camera is. So as you can see, if we increase this value to the maximum, we will make the camera completely invisible, and it works in the other way, in the opposite way too. So if we lower the UDC areas brightness, we will make the camera more visible. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.